How are acronyms used in active recall? Have you ever found yourself struggling to remember a long list of terms or concepts? If so, you are not alone. Many students face this challenge. One effective strategy to tackle this issue is through the use of acronyms in active recall. But how exactly do acronyms fit into this technique? Let's break it down. Active recall is all about retrieving information from memory instead of just passively reviewing it. Acronyms play a significant role in this process by serving as mnemonic devices. They simplify complex information into shorter, memorable forms. This makes it easier to recall key concepts during study sessions or exams. So, how do acronyms work? At their core, acronyms take the first letters of a series of words or concepts and form a new word. This new word acts as a mental shortcut. For example, if you need to remember the steps of a process, creating an acronym can help you recall all those details quickly. In the context of active recall, acronyms help in several ways. First, they facilitate efficient retrieval. When you quiz yourself, recalling an acronym can trigger the memory of all the information it represents. This makes the recall process faster and more reliable. Second, acronyms help structure information. They organize details into meaningful chunks, which aligns with how our memory works best. This chunking reduces cognitive load, allowing you to maintain focus during study sessions. Another benefit is improving resilience to interruptions. Research shows that using mnemonic acronyms can enhance mental organization. This makes it easier to pick up where you left off after distractions. Acronyms also support long-term retention. By practicing recall with acronyms repeatedly, you strengthen the memory traces of the information. This leads to more durable learning over time. To use acronyms effectively in active recall, start by creating them for lists or groups of related concepts. You can use flashcards or self-quizzing techniques. Prompt yourself with the acronym and then actively recall the full information it represents. Combining acronyms with spaced repetition can be particularly effective. This means revisiting the acronyms at increasing intervals to reinforce memory. When creating acronyms, aim for ones that are meaningful or easy to pronounce. This will make them easier to remember. Incorporating acronyms into your active recall sessions is a smart way to boost concentration and focus. They reduce the mental effort needed to retrieve complex information. This allows you to maintain study momentum and avoid frustration. Using acronyms alongside other active recall methods, like flashcards and practice tests, can make studying more effective and efficient.